Good morning guys, and in front of me is Xiaomi 17 and let me show you how to add photo to contact. So at first open your phone gallery. Now enroll more options and go to contacts. Choose the contact that you want to personalize and select edit, the pen icon in the right upper corner. Here you've got the profile picture, just tap on plus icon, and now you can either open your camera and grab a photo straight away, you can choose something from your gallery, from Google Photos, you can create Monogram or add some illustration, however you prefer. Let me choose something from my gallery. Here you've got Olivia photo, you can rotate it if you want to, tap on choose, mark save, and that's it, that will be all. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.